Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another Lego field trip. Today we have some special guests. We have
Big T
and
Little Buskus.
Big T and Little Buskus. Today we're gonna go inside the Lego store for the monthly mini build for the month of June 2015. It's a parrot today. So we're gonna head inside and hopefully the lineup isn't too long. Big T!
Yeah?
What do you have there?
A parrot.
Nice. And you made this at the monthly mini build?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about this parrot?
I like how they made his beak.
Yeah, the beak's cool. I like how it's all smooth.
And how he looks like a bat, like a parrot jet when you put him like this.
And you built it really fast, I noticed. It was an easy build?
Yeah.
Nice. Little Buskus.
What?
What is that?
A parrot.
Cool. And you made that all by yourself?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about the parrot?
I like how he does the chicken dance.
Let's see. So here's the main build, and we have parrots here, a couple parrots. So you can see the green little slopes on the top. We have googly eyes, some smooth build on each side. And I guess it's a lot of snot going on. You guys like snot?
Kind of.
A lot of snot going on, so all the smooth surfaces on all the sides. And we got the little, I'm not sure what those are called. What are these called? The parts that it won't fall apart. I don't know. But it's a very nice build. I like it a lot. We'll see where we can keep these guys. We won't take these apart. These are good ones. So this concludes this Lego field trip for today. This is the Brick Adjuster with
Big T
and
Little Buskus.
signing off. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.
Bye.
Bye.